Welcome to the SmartBackup End User Restore Guide video series. The series includes several short videos, each covering a specific restore scenario. In this video, we will show you how to restore deleted cells. Now let's switch over to a live sheet, and take a look at the process for restoring cells. Once again, back in our demo campaign plan sheet, if a user was to come into one of the cells, and delete the data, or perhaps, overwrite the data with invalid, or incorrect data, and then if they were to click save, then at this point it is very difficult to go back to that earlier version of that data, unless you have SmartBackup installed. So, to restore that data, you would switch over to your SmartBackup Vault workspace, then locate the most recent backup copy of the sheet, and open the sheet. Then once the sheet is open, look for the cell containing the data that was deleted or changed, double-click into the cell, and select and copy the data. Then you would go back to the live sheet, and go into the cell that was changed, and then replace the contents by pasting the data from the backup copy. Then click Save, and at this point, your cell data has been restored. That brings us to the end of this video. You can find more details about SmartBackup on our website at www.aqworkflow.com. And, if you have any other questions, please reach out to your IT department. Thanks for watching.